Hey, it's Amy. Look what I made.
My friends are coming. I'm hosting a dinner tonight.
My friends each had own idea for what to eat.
So we decide to spin the wheel. That will be fair for everybody. We got Kung Pao Chicken. I did research online and I'm making this into a party style version. Savory sweet Kung Pao Chicken and a unique rice bowl.
Today I'm using chicken thigh. Chicken thigh is very tender and juicy.
I'm removing the extra skin and the fat. Actually, I really like the chicken skin. The skin gives more flavor. But Kung Pao chicken is made without chicken skin. My grandma ever told me the best Kung Pao chicken is usually the deep fried version because the chicken has a firmer texture and doesn't get too soggy in the sauce. But today I'm making an easy version, just doing a quick stir fry instead. Still very delicious and tasty. Dice the chicken into cubes. Here's a little knowledge. Kung Pao chicken was named after a real Chinese governor hundreds of years ago. But today, when Americans hear Kung Pao, usually thinks spicy, peanuts, dry chili, savory, sweet sauce. This is one of my favorite dishes.
I'm going to marinate it first. Potato starch,
Some soy sauce, oil, and sugar. Give a gentle massage until the chicken becomes very sticky.
The chicken is marinating. I'm going to make the Kung Pao sauce. Here are all the ingredients: scallion, black vinegar, white vinegar, chili pepper and peppercorn, sugar, soy sauce, ginger, and garlic.
Add the soy sauce, vinegar, and sugar into the bottle.
Add some sesame oil. Now shake it, shake it.
Prepare all the aromatics.
I'm going to cook the chicken now.
Saute all the aromatics and take them out. Can fry the rice bowl, make it crispy.
Finally, time to plate up. I'm so excited.
Garnish with dried chili and scallion. Wow, it looks so delicious and stunning. Oh, my friends are here. I gotta go. I will make more recipes like this. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.